Right, we're heading out for the day. First stop is...
Go outdoors.
Yeah, the reception's run out. We'd run out of gas.
Yeah.
So went to the reception to get some gas, and they've run out of gas.
Take the next right onto Ullswater Road, then arrive at destination on the right. Recalculating.
We're here. What are you on about? Just got to find somewhere to park.
Recalculating. Turn back where possible.
Oh, shush.
Then, at end of the road, turn left.
So this is turning into Hunt the Gas. The
Recalculating.
yeah, recalculated. We couldn't find any go outdoors. They've run out. But a quick bit of googling, and we've discovered there's a Cala centre at Carlisle.
Yeah.
So we're going to Carlisle anyway. Thought we might give that a go.
Give that a go, and if they haven't got any,
Turn left. Then, at end of the road, turn left.
Okay. Which way are you taking me then?
it's like left.
Left?
After
Yeah.
800 feet, enter the roundabout. Take the second exit at exit 44.
Second exit. Okay.
Enter the roundabout. Take the second exit.
Presume it's here.
Yeah.
Take the second exit onto A689. After 600 feet, enter the roundabout. Take the first exit onto Kingstown Broadway. Enter the roundabout. Take the first exit. Then, take the next right.
Wow, that's some.
After 400 feet, turn right onto Kingstown Broadway.
So in
So that
here
must
then.
be
Take
here,
the
yeah.
next right onto Kingstown Broadway.
Cala centre there. Very useful. This is
Yeah.
what's it called, this place? Road? Millbrook Road?
Millbrook Road, yeah.
Millbrook Road, yeah. So Millbrook Road, Carlisle, Calagas Centre. No more expensive than it is at the campsite. $26.43, I think it was. Yep, and they've got plenty of stock as well.
Yeah. So we seem to have more luck, don't we?
Yeah.
Going to these centres. Yeah. So we've got 2 almost full bottles now.
Yeah, so it should be alright.
So all right for yonks.
Yonks. Yeah, car park's here, isn't it?
Yeah.
You arrive at destination on the left after 1,000 feet. Recalculating.
I'm recalculating. We're here.
After 600 feet, bear right onto Dacre Road.
Coaches and campers.
Okay.
Caravans and campers only.
Only. Will do me then. Oh, we can go up there, can't we,
We'll
really?
go there, yeah.
Yeah. Right, big car park. Plenty of space here. Right, let's go and explore the castle. Yeah, I'm really peed off with that. Their website says it's open, the board says it's closed. It's only open Saturday, Sundays during the winter period, but the website says it's open today. So I'm not. Soon that's Carlisle Cathedral.
Cathedral Church has been on this site since 1133.
Right. There's a panel.
We kept on leave, so things are allowed.
Well, yeah. Does that just round here?
Yeah.
Probably. Yeah. This cathedral church stood on this site for over 800 years. There's a big storage tower. So it was a church in the 7th century AD. They've taken some excavations back to Roman times. They said until 1540 a community of Augustinian canons served the cathedral. They lived in highly organised lives in monastic buildings suited to their needs. And what it says is this panel stands on the site of the chapter house of the Augustinian canons, and the doorway here is all that remains of it. It was destroyed during the Commonwealth period. Oliver Cromwell, who else? You're not allowed in, girls.
No.
No.
Gonna wait here.
You might wreck the place. Nice and warm in here. Wow. So this is the triptych, which is a carving about Jesus' story. You can see the crucifixion in the middle. So this was carved in about 1515 in Antwerp. Quite something. Very nice. A beautiful cathedral. Look at the ceiling. Galleries up there. Stained glass windows, something else. Something. Amazing. Look how ornate this is. All the valuable objects. A history about the 1st to the 4th century. Distant outpost on the northwest edge of the Roman Empire. Communion items. Oh, look at this display here though. Roman style buckles. Augustinian cannon. Helmet from 1580. Alabaster plaster. Liturgy. So that's from a Presbyterian church in Carlisle, communion cups. From Ripon Cathedral. Look at that one there. Fantastic. Martindale, enamelled chalice by Elizabeth Soderbergh. Go through all of that. That's from Bassenthwaite, Gothic Revival chalice. 18th century flagon. So that was used to contain the wine at communion service. Steeple cups, sometimes used as communion cups. So this is from 1618 from Ambleside. Gilt communion cup, 1583. Look at that. Architectural medals of English cathedrals. Monday. Kirby Lonsdale. That's a soldier from Broome altarpiece, carved in Antwerp in 1520. Wow. Virgin Mary holding the body of the dead Christ, Flemish altarpiece, 1500. Tara's pining for Jenny. So this is the fatry. This is the fratry. I can't say it. Fratry. So that's where they slept in a dormitory on the upper floor of an adjoining building. That was there, which stretched from the end of the fratry to what is the main door of the cathedral. You can really see that. So they got up at midnight and processed into the cathedral for matins, first long service of the day. Returned to bed until dawn. I'll have a little wander around. Jenny's gone to look round the cathedral, so we're going to have a little wander and get these two to move. Perhaps not. Really lovely houses here. A little bit about the cathedral here. So he said for centuries kings, queens, lords, ladies, knights and soldiers would have passed through the gatehouse at the end of the cathedral grounds. So this was a shortcut to the city centre.
Just saying, on one of the boards down in that treasury where you've just been,
Yeah.
it said up until 1092
Sway.
Carlisle was part of the Scottish kingdom of Strathclyde.
Right.
We found that old map, didn't we, from 5 something or other.
Yeah.
And the kingdom of Strathclyde was quite big, all the way from Glasgow all the way down here.
Yeah.
It was only the Normans coming
Yeah.
that made it part of England.
All right.
Yeah, that's quite interesting.
We'll just have a little wander around the town.
Yeah. Our advantage is the castle being shut, isn't it?
Yeah. Probably get to meet some friends. Not really explored Carlisle, have we?
No.
Yeah. Waterstone's closed. It says a good book will keep you fascinated for days, a good bookshop for your whole life. And it's closed. Take my hat off, haven't I?
Mind you, they might just move.
I think they might have just moved. Oh, that's alright then.
You cut that bit out then.
I'll cut that bit out. Just trying to remember the last time we were in Carlisle. It must have been 10 years ago.
At least, yeah, no,
Oh yeah.
On the train.
Came on the train, we had Katie.
Haven't they?
Hopeless trying to vlog with dogs.
Go eat all-
Want to have a look in the market? Yeah, come on then. Market hall's open. Come on. So we won't have a look around the market then? Go on then, Tate. I think we're allowed in here. Quite big. Yep, back to the van. Pity we couldn't see Carlisle Castle, but never mind.
Yeah, I think that's something to do and visit on its own really anyway, isn't it? Because it's a
Yeah.
amazing place.
I'm just going to have a cup of coffee and then we're going to set back. In you go, Poppy. And we're in. Coffee. Right, that's it for what was going to be Carlisle Castle and ended up as Carlisle
Carlisle. I look round Carlisle.
Cathedral.
Cathedral mainly.
Can't think what the name of it was. Church, a big church type thing. And a little look round the town centre. Town centre's quite nice. I quite enjoyed that. That's like one of the, I don't know if I filmed it, but there was a record shop that, well, HMV, other stores are available, and it was selling LPs, and it was great having a look at the LPs.
It was, wasn't it?
Yeah, I really
Very
enjoyed
nostalgic.
that. Yeah, they're about £22 though.
£36. Something
One was 36, yeah, and CDs are about £4.
Yeah.
How times change. So that's it. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe. Hit the notifications icon and you get updates as we progress along this trip. I think that's it. See you soon. Bye then.